In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change characters in LEGO Marvel Super Heroes 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. LEGO Marvel Super Heroes 2, like many other LEGO games, features an extensive roster of characters and superheroes. You will be able to switch between all of them, either through the story mode or in free roam mode. So for you to do this on any platform, all that you have to do is while the character is in the transition between modes, go ahead and press Y. So by pressing the Y button, you will be able to switch between characters or switch between their forms. As long as you press and hold Y or any other equivalent button such as triangle, you will be able to see the option to choose from any character of the roster. And like I mentioned, you should have access to all of them. You might need to unlock a certain character first, and after you are done unlocking them, you will be able to use them as much as you wish. Like I said, you can easily open the roster by pressing and holding Y or any equivalent button such as U on PC, and you will be able to browse through all of them. This will work for both the story mode and also free mode. You should see every single character available, and you can look for the unlock requirements for a specific one if you would like to get them. Some of them might have different forms that you can also freely swap between, so all that you have to do afterwards is press Y again, and you should be able to change between the forms, and you should see all of the roster available when you press and hold Y on any platform. If you are playing on Xbox, the equivalent should be Y. On PlayStation, triangle. On Switch, it should be X, and on PC, it is going to be U. So press that button and you will be able to see the full list of characters available. I hope I was able to help you on how to change characters in LEGO Marvel Super Heroes 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.